Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Ghazala Shabir Abdo, lecturer in education from Government Girls Degree College, Nowshera Feroz. Today I am here again to deliver my second lecture. So I hope you all were waiting for this lecture. And the topic of my lecture is mental development. Now come to the main objectives of this topic. Mental development, stages of mental development, infancy period, childhood period, and the last one is adolescence period. So first of all, we are going to describe, first one is mental development. Mental development is an important aspect of growth, embracing the various mental abilities. Mental development includes such abilities as attending, perceiving, observing, remembering, imagining, thinking and solving problems, and growth of intelligence as well as the language of these abilities change, grow and mature with age, and decline in old age. The rates of change vary as special experiences. According to Thorndike, intelligence is a natural skill through which one can know the what's right and wrong. For example, if any teacher is going to teach any topic on the spot, a teacher should know that what are the principles of mental development. At the time of birth, a child's brain is bigger than his or her body. That's why intelligence is more powerful. As we have already discussed mental development, so here are the stages which we will define one by one. First one is infancy period, second one is childhood period, and the third one, which is last one, that is adolescence period. So the first one is infancy period. Infancy period starts from 1 year to 3 years of children's need increases slowly and gradually. Also mental abilities appear to start. Babies are not only growing physically during the first 2 years of life, but also mentally. Piaget believed that as babies begin to grow and learn about their environment through their senses, they begin to engage in intentional, goal-directed behaviors. Infant development is the first stage of human cognitive development. In the youngest children, the academic field of infant cognitive development studies of how psychological process involved in thinking and knowing develop in young children. At this stage of children, babies are trying to know new things. Also, they use their mental abilities to make words, sentences. Also, they can memorize stories about 200 to 300 words and wants to tell others too. Now the second one is childhood period. Young children are not only growing physically during early childhood, but they are also growing mentally. Physical development allows a child to begin developing new intellectual abilities. At this period of children wants to memorize things and to usage of right words and also wants to create new things. Early childhood generally refers to the period from birth through age 5. Child's cognitive development during early childhood, which includes building skills such as pre-reading, language, vocabulary and numeracy, begins from the moment a child is born. And the third one is, which is last one of our topic, that is adolescence period. Adolescence marks the transition from childhood into adulthood. It is characterized by cognitive, psychological and emotional development. It's the progress of thinking from the way a child does to the way of adult does. Second, adults develop the ability to think abstractly. At adolescence period, the mental abilities is complete very well. Also, they want to understand philosophy, science with their mental abilities. Also, they want to skip the problems of their society with themselves. And in that society, they want to good position. Thank you, my all dear students. Hope you have understood this topic. Enjoy learning at home. Stay home and stay safe.